Welcome to your English Interactivity course. Hello, I would like to introduce myself. I am Jorge Hernandez. I am your English instructor, facilitator, and professor. I was born in Colombia, but raised in New York City in the United States of America. My native language is English, and my second language is Spanish. I am 1.66 meters tall, and I weigh 85 kilos. I am a skinhead. My eyes are dark brown, my complexion is tanned, and I am somewhat overweight. I am honest, social, spiritual, nationalistic, and family-oriented. As a professor, I am humanistic, strict, just, and demanding.